If you already know Python dictionaries, you are closer to C++ hash tables than you think. This week, we map every Python dict operation to its C++ unordered map equivalent, step by step. An unordered map is a hash table. When you insert a key, a hash function converts it into a bucket index. The value lands in that bucket. Later, looking up the same key recomputes the same index, so retrieval is constant time on average. Unlike Python's dict, C++ makes no guarantee about the order keys are stored or iterated. In Python, you write a dict literal with curly braces and colons. In C++, you declare the type explicitly. The template parameters tell the compiler the key type is string and the value type is int. You can still use brace initialization to pre-fill the map. Just like a Python literal, each pair is wrapped in its own inner braces. Just like Python, the bracket operator inserts a new key-value pair if the key does not exist. And if the key already exists, the bracket operator overwrites the value, same as Python. The .insert method is different. If the key is already present, insert silently does nothing. This is a common source of bugs when coming from Python. Here is a trap that catches Python programmers. If you use the bracket operator to read a key that does not exist, C++ silently inserts a default value of 0. The safe approach is find. It returns an iterator. If the key exists, the iterator points to the pair. If not, it equals .end. This mirrors Python's if key and dict check. Always guard your reads with this pattern. To visit every entry, use a range-based for loop. The auto keyword with structured bindings gives you the key and value directly. Notice the output order does not match insertion order or alphabetical order. The map iterates in bucket order, which depends on the hash function. This is the key difference from Python 3.7 plus dicts, which preserve insertion order. If order matters, use a sorted map instead. To remove a single entry, call erase with the key. The bucket disappears and the map shrinks. Unlike Python's del, which throws a key error on a missing key, C++ erase is a safe no-op. It simply does nothing if the key is absent. To remove everything at once, call clear. The map becomes empty and size returns 0. Let's recap. Python dicts and C++ unordered map share the same hash table idea, but C++ demands explicit types and has two important traps. First, reading a missing key with brackets silently inserts a default. Second, iteration order is not guaranteed. If you need sorted output, switch to std map. Master these 5 operations, and you have everything you need to use unordered map confidently in C++.